What's going on, guys? It is 8:42. We came here at, I think it was like 12 o'clock, maybe 1 o'clock, and we did our first pass. And this is going to be our second pass. The snow is actually, it's slowed down a lot now. It's kind of like stopping and going, but it will be stopping fully here in about the next probably 30 minutes to maybe an hour. The main streets have been graded. The side streets have not been. I think most of this is just car tracks. I don't think any of this is even a plow. But anyways, you can see here, this is the house that we came. And that's how much snow has accumulated since we were gone. And I would say it's probably actually less than maybe what was here before. It's probably, I would say 5 inches or so. I'm not too sure. But anyways, we're going to use the big guy today. We're going to use that on the end. That's what I like to do. This is the neighbors here, so I don't like tossing snow there. Alright, now that we got this end pass, just take it and shove it all to the side. This guy moved here. All right, we just got the walkway left, and then